Western Town Hall. Fire escape on the side, number 2 of 2 on the side. You can see all the original Harris, 50, 75-year-old square bulbs. You can see the rusty connection, somebody painted over it. You can see the rivets here, you can see the space in the connector there. You can see that the bolts are all square bolts. And you can see the brick in the wall. You can see somebody painted it. They didn't do the... Here the grating sits on the channel, but somebody put a piece of angle iron on it to hook it down, so it's not resting on that angle iron. Channel is welded there. Channel is just sitting here coming down this one. The cross brace up there must be set into the building. I'll check that in a minute. You can see the angle support there. Two pieces of channel are welded here. You can see they use machine bolts in all the railings, but you can see the square heads on them, which is the original hardware, 50 to 75 years old. You can see the gussets down there, all the rust in it. Somebody they have a channel in the middle to support the grating. You can see the original hardware bolts there and the rusting on it. Same thing with the leg there, original hardware. Somebody welded a piece of steel around where they cut it for the drain pipe. So all those welds are questionable where they cut the channel around the drain pipe. This is not attached to the building at that point. They do have a piece of channel there which is supporting it, coming over to a leg here. You can see all the rust in the corner here, so I would rate those bolts not good at all. You can see the rust in the connection there. You can see the rust in the treads here. You can see the original square bolts, all original square hardware, 50 to 75 years old. You can see all the rust against the treads of the wall there. And you can see the condition of the treads. They have some bent treads on this fire escape. It's clipped at that point, it's a stationary clip, and that is a separate pipe railing. See there, you can see all these machine screws with the square heads, so they're all original bolts, 50 to 75 year. That channel for the stringer for up there is sitting on the grating. And sitting here where they welded the additional angle on, that should be better supported than that. No visible sign that the channel is sitting on concrete on that side or this side due to the landscaping. From the look there, I would say that post is sitting on concrete, but with the landscaping and that tell it, they have bent bars there. You can see the line bars are using the line bolts are using the railing with no sleeves on them. Here they have it sleeved. You can see the square bolts there. You can see the rust there where that's rusting out, that piece of channel, the holes in it. Oh no, those are drilled holes, I'm sorry, where somebody missed the drill holes. You can see where it goes into the building. That channel is sitting on it. An undersized bolt that bolt is supposed to be holding it structurally. And that channel is barely sitting on the channel there. It's sitting more on the angle which is used to tie the grating, but not supporting the grating. And you can see the rivets in it, and you can see that somebody did some welding at one time under the rivets. This, I imagine, is sitting on concrete, but the way it's landscaped, you can't tell. With the bolts in it, I'd say it's a concrete pad, same thing, you can't tell. You can't tell. You can see the bracing here, all original square bolts there. And you can see the channel workers in the wall there. That comes out to the post here, and then you brace here over to the post there, which is carrying your load. And these legs look like they have been replaced at one time, the bottom of them, because they're all welded there like somebody put a new piece of angle in. So all those welds would be questionable. And this is number 2.